Hey. Step on shit, you know how we go. Keep my walker fucking stick on me, the nigga run up on him, get him gun. I came from shotter, yeah, we keep these big ass glocks. And the stitching on me right now as we speak. Keep that motherfucking hammer on the motherfucking seat. Paratics on your block, my little niggas keep that Fredo bang. We keep that motherfucking fire, run up on him, take his ass out. My little niggas keep that stick, we keep that steel, we'll step on you. My little niggas know we step on shit, we stepping on you. Yeah, distribute, put on your motherfucking block and leave it red. Nigga run up on me, now he ran into them folks. Yeah, tell them niggas what we bout us, you know we stepping. Yeah, stepping hard with that motherfucking dirty stick. Keep that walker fucker, keep that Fredo bang on the seat. Run up on my, got this chopper, run up on him, get your head gone. 223, wrap his ass up, we hit him in his tummy. Yeah, wrap his ass like a mummy, keep that motherfucking fire. Yeah, run up on my screen, that Draco, where the fuck you stay? Tail up the scope on anything you get in my way. Hey, run up on me, I'm chasing money right now when I catch your ass. Yeah, I'm chasing money right now when I catch you, that's your ass. Walk a flock of flames on the seat, run up on me, keep a motherfucking dripping stendo clip. Every clip I got, yeah, got this switch on that red beam on the bottom. I might show you something. Keep that walk a flock of flame on me. Yeah, got that Fredo on the seat. Walk a flock of stick on the seat. Yeah, you nigga don't want no smoke. Up in the scope on anything. I told you we step on shit for the group. Hey, from the dough, up the scope on anything. Nigga get in my way, I'ma smash on my keep that dirty stock. Got that helmet on, you can't touch little beats. Put your ass on channel 5, you can't fucking shake back.
Let's go. Whoa.
Hey, y'all know how this shit gon' turn out. Hey, you know this shit turn out bad, you hear me? Yeah. Don't turn me up, turn me down, bitch ass nigga. You know what up with me? Yeah, we step on shit up here. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. What y'all on, bitch? Come holler at me. You want smoke, bitch? You want counsel? What up? Bitch ass boy. Let's go.